What is up, guys? This is Aman from Tech Unwind 9, and I am doing an unboxing of the JBL Charge 4. I am so excited about this. This thing is made by Harman, and I really love the quality of Harman. Okay, Harman is one of the top brands in the industry for high-end products. I really feel like this is like the perfect balance of high-end mixed with the average man. You can afford this. It's only $130 from JBL themselves. You can go on JBL.com and get this for 130 plus tax. And I'm telling you guys, you will not go wrong with this, okay? For the size of the speaker, you're going to get an amazing quality sound. You're going to get decent bass. Even at a higher volume, you're going to get great bass for this, okay? This is a little bit of a spoiler of the unboxing and the review, but I wanted to tell you guys this before we start, okay? And by the way, guys, if you like products like this, I really have something special for you coming up next week. I will have a camouflage JBL Charge 4 unboxing slash review for you guys. So stay tuned, okay? Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me so that way you guys can see that video with me. And I am so pumped about that one too. So let's get this one opened, okay? All right, look at that, guys. This box is strong. It's like a strong box made just for your speaker. If you want to store it, put it in here, put it out of the way so it doesn't get scratched up. Even though they make it really sturdy and strong, you could just put it away just in case you're not using it, or if you want to travel with it or something like that. You can actually put it in a nice box like this and just put it underneath the your bed or something like that, just to keep it out of the way. Okay, look at the artwork, guys. How beautiful is that? I mean, they put some detail in this box. Box is made with quality, almost like a Rolex. You know how you open up a Rolex? I mean, I don't have a Rolex, but I'm just saying, you've seen people open up a Rolex. This is what it looks like. Premium quality, okay? All right. Wow. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that color? Do you see that gold? I don't know if you guys can see this in the actual video, but I'm telling you, while I'm looking at it, it looks amazing, okay? It's a true gold, almost subdued, but a really, really nice color. Really nice color. Okay, those are all the buttons on top. You can see JBL Charge 4, Connect Plus button, volume up and down, Bluetooth and all of that. You got the power indicators on the bottom for your battery. That tells you how much battery you have. You got the connections in the back. We'll show you that in a minute. There's two subwoofers. You got the right subwoofer and the left subwoofer. Really nice, sturdy, waterproof, IPX7 proof. For anybody that was worried about the IPX, that is going to be basically splash proof. You can throw it in water if you want to throw it in water. You can. It's not going to affect it. You can throw it in a pool. You can throw it in the ocean. Nothing's going to happen to it. As long as all the ports are closed, it's not going to bother it. Very sturdy and heavy speaker. But I like it like that because that actually means it's solid. There is all the connections. You got the USB C connector right there. All right, that's for charging. You got the fast charging right there. You got the regular connection if you want to connect a wire to it, or you can use a USB charger. Now that USB is for reverse wireless charge or reverse charging, okay? So for just in case you run out of battery in your phone or something like that, you can actually use this to charge your phone, or if you have headphones that can be charged, you can do that with it. So that's really cool, okay? Remember that, guys. Let's turn this on. Once you turn this on, guys, you can see that light starts blinking. That's your Bluetooth connection right there, okay? So it's trying to pair, and obviously I haven't paired it yet because this is my first time actually opening this color. So we're going to pair it for you guys, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. So you have a beautiful design, as you guys can see right now, okay? You got the JBL on the front. You've got a really nice mesh, okay? It feels good in the hand. That sounds bad, but anyways, yeah, it does feel good in the hand. Okay, so we're gonna actually play some tunes for you guys, so you guys can hear what this sounds like. Okay. Oh, and this would be a time to get your headphones so you get great quality sound. Grab some snacks. Here we go. Let's go. All right, guys, what did you guys think about that? I loved it. You know, I want to tell you the crackling was only because the speaker was really close to the mic. Otherwise, you can't actually hear it in person, okay? So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this review and what you thought about the actual product. And did you like the sound or dislike it? Either ways, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me, guys. I really would like that and appreciate that from you guys. I love all of you guys, and I will see you guys soon in the next one. Stay tuned for the unboxing of the camouflage version of the same exact speaker. Peace out, guys.